Madam. Why? What's all matter?
Are you talking to me?
And when him send me, what my job so that?
Me?
Eh.
I don't hear what you are trying to say.
I job so. I can't tell me job so.
Pardon?
Why?
What are you trying to say?
Something me just say. How
By the way, I can't speak to you. What are you trying to say?
Okay, so me la pa me. Oh.
Anyway, I'm in a hurry. I'm going to do something else. Okay.
Why? When you in a hurry?
Oh my God.
Hurry mo enya.
No, I'm going to do something else. I'll call you back. I don't know you, and I can't hear what you are trying to say.
Jina ya try me meba. Wo jina ya obetumi kwa be jina flowers no be jina bla. Oh bla. Be jina.
Okay, calm down.
Mate.
Yeah.
Try me. Me bus is here 2 minutes try me.
Okay.
Why?
Okay.
What did you mention us?
Okay.
We okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Try me to see her, neighbor. Why? Emko, why? Jina ho, neighbor. Why? No, somehow only make me that was a catch say you remember me must mean for ba. Aye. To be true and owuram. Mama counting some blofon kwa. Blofon kwa no. Miss me duedue mu no ye ka blofo pa. What? To me dey
like you him say blofo. Hi baby.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good. You?
Beautiful. I'm great. You're so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
All right. Akwasi, I don't know person me catch them.
See no catch na say me hu no na say na nimi.
I'm coming, okay?
I'm
Oba, why? Na nimi me ni nyina na say me person me na.
Open
Why? Fra. Why? Fra.
You're beautiful, man.
Wow.
You're so beautiful.
Are you sure?
Trust me.
Oh, thank you.
Anyway, my friend just called me. Actually, I've already told him I want a wife to marry.
Oh, really?
So when
you?
Yeah.
Okay.
So when he saw you, he wanted to come and tell me I found my wife.
Oh. Seriously?
I was say, Faba. You know, he's happy for me.
Oh, really?
So that is the whole thing, the whole idea.
By the way, I don't know your name.
Okay,
What's your name?
My name is Kolege.
And what about your friend?
It's Rasnene, aka Likey,
Okay.
aka Akabenezer.
Yeah. Okay.
He's my friend. I used to send him all. Oh yeah. So like, you know, let me take your number, all right?
Okay.
So we can talk. Okay.
The number and quande mete.
Yeah. So me catch me no so na. Ohun sam do de energy on bu befu. Akwesi no befu. Smart.
054
054
5
5
6 7 888. Okay, thank you.
888.
Okay.
The 8 is 3, right?
Yeah, you can call me Bambi.
Bambi.
Okay. Yeah.
So, love you.
Love you more.
Bambi.
Bye.
Oh God.
Bambi no kind.
So, excuse me. Can you come, please?
Okay.
You see, my friend wants to hug you for a minute. He just want to hug you for a minute.
Oh, sure.
Just manage it for me, okay?
Okay.
Because she says you're so beautiful. You have not seen a beautiful man like you before.
Okay.
You want to hug you for 1 minute. I could see.
I hear.
Afa.
Okay.
Ko hug no. Tony mu. I could see Tony. I could see.
Hi.
You want me?
It's okay. I'm in a hurry. I'm going to do something else. I'll call you back later.
All right, baby.
Okay.
All right, baby.
Nibi bi na hare.
I was
Afa mu school pa. Wa ko bi enyi o.
Wonim say o say come on, we gina ho no. Wo gina ho na wa twate no.
Na say me ba na me yo.
Say na now. Like it.
Hello. I'm having to say, I feel budin. Mammy, oh, quite.
And no, na yam sheshe no nim say. I say, o be kidnap no. Wonim say o baba be hwia no.
We colleague me walling straight.
Any problem. Yanko. Afa. They say ni nyina say you better. O fra brochiri ne bae. Na ha na wote. Ha na ne yanka mo. O pepa na ni mo.
I mean, you hanky.
Obi I was so be a man bofu. Me hot to you. What to when your friend was saying about
oh, me now for your idea.
Me Costco Oxford.
Oxford function bra. What's a bro for Kenya function bra bro?
Yo, new syllabus no more. New syllabus no. Oh, new syllabus. But wait there. Oh, one hook. On for your bar. One hook when you are.
Yeah.
Oh, Inya. Hey, Boga Kunu. Boga Kunu. Kaish. Boga Kunu. Many are Jama. My father no pay. My father no pay. No, we saw Drubiana.
Me and how baby me Drubiana, so say give it nice girl what take care of whom me no friend me. Man of bra o dear Van Veka.
Hey,
I'm so Van Veka dear, not me dear Nipolino. I'm seeing cars on Phyllis Mubia because me na my mom for seeing Van Veka and be and James, but me.
I can't follow you, sir. Hey, can't follow. Now, answer. I feel. Now me come here. You tell us. Now me be some say. Ah, the way you shoot. What dear Drew? One family has no
dear Drew. A dear Drew.
Me find one no pay. Me and me be catch any say. O say. O person ni share.
Okay.
Nanka numre. Ko be da ho. Me say me ya ma.
Ko be ba.
Wo be da. Asa. Many not come. She said, "Mamma,
colleague, you come between a pa. What's South African? Come for a job between.
What would he? Nam so make say,
I make a choice.
Wash out. And no dear baby, I have my crowd here.
Susanna, me bow. Susan,
baby girl.
My wife do it.
So, baby,
Get with the
what's me panic? You cookie capa. But we are the
one who can say, let me catch and say, also so crowd of South Africa.
Oh, yeah,
me go to 2 years.
No be a mental blow for the other coffee.
South Africa won't come for almost South Africa Casao.
And you know, man, a day.
And you me catch and say, oh, Papa, South African president. But your woman, you don't go to Zimbabwe. And you also so cry tree, and a Zimbabwe, no, Nipa Cotanich, no, a canny. And we tell them how to teach you.
No, son to Zimbabwe.
No, son to Zimbabwe.
Because you can't go Zimbabwe. Yeah, so what?
I said, man, Master. And she said, no, or say, no, Robert Bammy in IP.
Okay.
But I said, was in the Trihunye. I don't mean, because I'm saying, Confanis, Anna. What about you? You ain't just win Chow, man, and Fanny Trimosa.
She seems to say, or requested there now beside any farmer.
And no, and not ask me what kind of. Not say, I am in Kakra. Oh, a metty dear. Nano, I'm Macali. A cobon, dear crab, say. Just 100 was 200. Mate. You're young, my dear, no paper and some qua. Baby. You'll see how connected to the church, man.
1 minute. Now, what you in Africa? We not too far into.
Oh, we in a power.
What day? I'm a rat. Give me the EP.
I'm a rat.
Oh, mensu. Ah, are they? Mensu. Ah, I touch it. I'm touched. The old year will come back with Debbie. Me.
500 more about it.
It's
for 20. Sweet baby, it's so sweet. You see, I told you I'm gonna take care of you. I'm gonna make you feel so big and superior.
Yeah.
It's good you love me. You see that, my friend? How could you love such a guy?
You're fine.
Yeah. He's a criminal.
Ooh.
Do you know?
Your friend?
That's my friend. Oh. You see, sometimes when I'm even walking with him, I'm hiding because the police are looking for him. Yes. You see, don't worry.
Man, baby.
Yes, darling.
Don't go here.
I won't go near him. I won't go. I'm even stay away from him.
Yeah.
Just that, you see, Nipa dear, you have to be sometimes nice to Nipa, you understand? But all the same, this evening I want us to go out.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, I want us to go
What
out.
time?
I'll pick you around 6 o'clock.
6.
Yes, dear.
Okay.
But I want you to go and fix your hair, you know.
Wow.
You are following me. You need to look good, all right?
Wow.
You need to look good. You need to look beautiful for me, okay? So let me give you something. Let me dash you something. I think, take this.
Babe, let me see the
This is transportation case car.
Oh. Okay.
It's okay. I love you.
I love you more.
Just take it, all right?
Okay, baby.
I'll come and pick you in the evening, okay?
Yeah, babe. I love you. Yeah.
I'll buy you a car.
Are you sure?
Come on, Jimmy D. Trust me.
Hey,
I'm gonna buy you a car.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna buy you a car.
Oh,
okay?
really? Babe.
Yes, darling.
Where's my phone?
I've ordered for it. I've ordered for the phone. I love you.
Oh, God.
I don't know what to tell you, sir. Ade. Mrs. Ma, what to say? You are who can sue. Why can come up? Like you. Now, say, Ade. What? My day, say my day. Mrs.
And I told you, say, Bibi, and Mammy, who I.
Mrs. Me cry, one was said, I'm missing it. What we are
down for Panna,
Debbie, I was saying,
honey,
What's going on?
Oh,
don't mind him.
With them, you're
He's getting mad. Aka, Debbie, and person don't want me who I can be shoot him. Chim.
Your friend,
Mrs. The woman, I say, the woman,
quality.
Mammy Chitty,
Mammy Chim.
I did my son back. I different.
Mammy Chim,
I will jump at him over him. Hey!
I'm so dear.
But Mammy Chim.
Oh, send me.
Mammy Chim, Mrs. Nanny said you this is
and now for.
Intimate. Baby, Mrs. You are not a man, person will tell you. Oh, my colleague. Ah, colleague. Next time.
From your friend.
Hey.
No, he owes me. It's my money. He owns me.
Wow.
Yeah.
He's
a thief. I told you the police are looking for him. He's a thief. I have to do something to take my money.
Yeah.
Hey, wait a minute, I said, Bibi.
Like it. Tinyamia Bibiania Yebesia. Why? Honey. I love you, okay? I'm going to buy you a beautiful car. Some dear, but who dear me trust? Why? Ade. Bakofo wo pesa wo boha. Bakofo wo boha na me a mimi ni bi no me nya dai.
Oh, Dabi, wo dey yanko.
Me nya dai, me a mini bi no, me nya dai.
Babe.
Hwe we nkoma mema na mote ma ho na moni nso. Hwe me de ye ba na se wo firi wo yire ne ho a ye beje no. Anase
wo dey kirem, me yesi a wo mini mu se kwa. Kirem ko be sa da ofele dem de ya no. Okobloge me. Me yesi ya ni mini mu se kwa. Kirem se wo kirem.
Aka se me kirem a.
Se wo kirem. Oh, meba. Why?
Ba fa no ko. Nya sa me kasa.
Wa beta kuru mi ko.
Makasa.
Wa beta kuru mi na fa me ko.
Enti akwasi mi kirem ana.
Me nka se kire bibi.
Honey, I need to explain.
Me nka se kire bibi.
What's it?
Hey, my
Okay.
nka se kire.
Oh, God.
Honey,
What is wrong with your friend?
I told you, he's a criminal.
Oh, my God.
And every time you see him, run.
Okay. Oh,
He come from Afghanistan.
Gosh.
Yes.
I don't want to talk to him.
He have
Baby, I'm
bomb.
scared.
He have bomb
Oh, my
and
God.
tear gas.
Oh, really?
He's so close to
Oh, my God.
Osama bin Laden's son.
Baby, I don't want to go to him.
Let's go.
Okay,
Let's go.
babe. Okay.
Let's go.